embroidery belongs to which state, and the left side you have the chicken curry or what about admission counseling. We will also discuss NATA third attempt, and we are also going to talk about top 50 government and private architecture colleges in India with NIR. To the next question, who won the International Children's Peace Award? Shadat Raman Saqib has won the International Education is providing the NATA admission counseling support, and we will be helping you to, based on your score, we will be helping you to get best NATA college. And so there is a form in the video description. You can always go there, you can check and you can fill the form.
Welcome to Ignite India Education, India's leading design, architecture, fine arts, law and management entrance exam preparation ISO 9001:2015 certified institute. Download the Ignite India app to get free access to NATA study materials.
Welcome to Ignite India Education, India's largest online design learning platform. In this video, we will be discussing about the 11 July NATA question paper pattern analysis and answer key, which you can download free from Ignite India app. You can download Ignite India app from the Play Store or view your entrance exam score from the Ignite India app. In this video, we will discuss about admission counseling. We will also discuss NATA third attempt, and we are also going to talk about top 50 government and private architecture colleges in India with NIRF rank, which is very, very important, NIRF rank. So we recommend you going with the colleges which has NIRF rank. So without further delay, we will move to the next slide where we will discuss about the question. Note, this is the unofficial answer key released by Ignite India, memory based for the students, reference purpose only. So the question this time which was asked, we have asked our viewer to rate the question, NATA question. Compare NATA first attempt versus NATA 2021 second attempt. 11 July question pattern and difficulty level 8% compared to first attempt 8%. So 8% viewers, they said that it was easier than the first attempt. Moderate, some questions were very easy and some question difficult, 21%. Difficult but easy to understand question, 13%. Very difficult and time consuming questions, 58%. So if you see majority of students, around 60%, they said this was difficult and time consuming. Moderate, so most of them, I think these are our regular students, they said the question was very easy and some question they find difficult. So let's move to the next slide. Here we have asked expected mark which they are going to score in the NATA second attempt. Between 70 to 90, 37%, 91 to 1110, 20%, 1111 to 130, 21%, 131 to 156%. And there are students here like, toppers, our toppers 151 and 180 plus, 16% student, they said they are going to score 180 plus. Let's move to the next slide quickly. So the question is here in front of your screen. Chicken curry embroidery belongs to which state, and the left side you have the chicken curry work. And this is the very famous embroidery, and this belongs to Uttar Pradesh, UP. So this was the right question. Let's move to the next question. Next question is here, who appoints Chief Justice of India? President appoints Chief Justice of India, and here is the 48th Chief Justice of India, Justice N.V. Ramana. So I think recently, like a few months back, he was appointed. So that is why this question may be like, probably this was which is the least fertile soil. So it is here. Red soil are generally derived from the crystalline rock, and they are usually poor growing soil, low in nutrients and humus, and difficult to cultivate because of its low water holding capacity. So the map is here. With this map, you can solve this kind of question. Also, you will have like the detailed knowledge which kind of soil and in which area, and in Indian map it is everything is like depicted. So this will be very helpful. You can check from this map. And guys, this PDF will be available on the Ignite India app. You can download the app and go to free study section, and you can download entire PDF. It's a completely free and available on the Ignite India app. Let's move to the next slide, and here logo of United Nations. So this is the correct right logo of United Nations. So this was the right answer. Next, move to the next question. Who won the International Children's Peace Award? Shadat Raman Saqib has won the International Children's Peace Award 2020. The award was presented to Shadat on Friday by Nobel Prize. All right, Nobel Prize Laurent Mala, used for during the ceremony in the Netherlands. All right, next is crack the code to open the lock, and answer is 42. Next, let's move to the next question. And next, chair designed by the Miles van der Rohe, German American architect. He was very famous, and there is the chair, and variation of this kind of model is also available. Lot of model inspired by this. Let's move to the next question. Who was photographer who clicked Bhopal gas tragedy photographs? Answer is Raghu Rai, and the man who has clicked the all Bhopal tragedy picture was Raghu Rai. So let's next move to the next question, and this PDF will be available on the Ignite India app. You can download this PDF free of cost on Ignite India app. Also, we have we will start admission counseling, and it's a completely free. You can click on the link which we have kept on the video description. You can go there and you can click on the link and you can register yourself. Ignite India team will connect you shortly, and we will be in touch. We will be helping you to get top Indian Architecture College. Next, the absorption of ink by blotting paper involves. Answer, the absorption of the ink by blotting paper involves capacity action phenomenon, because its blotting paper is the thin and smooth paper, which allows a little thicker liquid like ink to absorb. Moving to the next question. So MCQ 75, MSQ 25, and MSQ 20. So mark total 1, 2, 3, total 75, 50, 70. So the aptitude test was consisting multiple choice type question, MCQ, multiple select type, MSQ, and preferential choice type, PCQ, and numerical answer type, NAQ questions. Let's move to the next question. The sum of ages of 5 children born in intervals of 3 years is 50. Find out ages of youngest child, and answer is 4 years, and solution is here. You can download this PDF from the Ignite India app, and you can check your score, how much you will score. In this video, we will be discussing about all the cutoff and other things. So just be with us till the end so that you will know all the detail about your admission. A boat is going downstream in 15 km/h. If the goes 30 km and comes back in 4 hours 30 minutes, the calculate speed of stream. So here is the solution with all the details. So it's a 5 km/h, and the PDF is available in the Ignite India app. You can download and solve this question. MN 1.68 meter tall, cast a shadow of 180 cm. He is standing next to a pole that has a shadow of 420 cm. Find height of the pole. Answer is 192 cm. So you next friction reduced due to 50 km/h in ms? Answer is 13.8889. Next question is Jurassic dome is a hemispherical thin shell structure, little cell based in Jurassic polyhedron. The triangular elements of dome are structurally rigid and distribute the structure stress throughout the structure, making geodesic dams able to withstand very heavy loads of their size. So this was also one question. And the next question is, here circle made of the wire. Wire has the given radius. Find area of a square made out of the same length of the wire. And here is the answer. Let's move to the next question. Euro hat. So these are the representation, like picture which you can so now this is the image which was there, and the question was which design principle this is following. So asymmetrical balance you can see with this. Now again, this was the another image, and here also the question was same. So rhythm and unity are these design elements. Now count the number of horses in the picture. So you can count here, you can check it out, 14, you can see, including the all big one image. So total number of 14. How many plan were there for UN 2030 programs? So sustainable development goals. All right. So total, 17 global, the plan was there. Answer is 17. Next, move to the Kailashnath temple. So here the plan is here and the detail is there. So you can check this PDF on the Ignite India app, which is available. You can download and you can verify your answer, how many correct answer you have given. So this is the unofficial answer key released by Ignite India Education, just to verify your score. Soon NATA website will also declare the official answer key. There you can verify. So this is the unofficial answer key released by Ignite India Education. Gandhi Memorial, Gujarat. So there was one question from the Gandhi Memorial, Gujarat, and here are the detail. You can check this PDF and you can download. Now this was the next question, and you related to museum which is situated in the New York. You can also check the detail from in the PDF. You can download the PDF. Now Fatehpur Sikri related one question was there. So here is the layout plan of the Fatehpur Sikri. Also the image is here for your reference, and we have also small notes we have kept in this page, so you can read this and you can check. Now how to check your result? Step 1, visit the official website of NATA, nata.in. Click on the result link available on the home page. Not today, when the result will be announced, means after few days result will be there on the website. There you can go, and these are the steps you can download. Further, keeping in the mind the exceptional country, the council, in order to mitigate the hardship of the student to the extent possible, has decided to reduce the qualifying marks from 75 to 70. So this I think you already know. So this is the window where you have to go and you can check the answer key below. So you can take the printout of the answer key and then you can check how many score you are going to score. The phase 2 exam of NATA 2020 has been conducted on July 11th, 10 to 1 and 2 to 5 p.m. This year the exam pattern of NATA has changed, and the major focus area are aptitude and logical reasoning. For this first time in India, an architectural entrance exam is being conducted with the key focus on the reasoning aspect. The question paper of NATA 2020 has been a total number of 170 questions for 200 marks. The questions are combination of 1 mark, 2 marks and 3 marks, and there was also some optional question, so you can you can answer in some, you can skip like that. It was there, the question are combination of 1 mark, 2 mark, 3 mark total. Other hand, the type of question in NATA 2021 is MCQ, MSQ and PCQ and numerical answer type. NATA 2020 result of phase 2 will be declared on July 14th. NATA 2021 phase 2 has been conducted on 11th. You all already know this year there was no drawing test in the exam, and the most of the questions are based on aptitude, logical reasoning, and the architecture. As the exam is being conducted online, the candidate can download the NATA 2021 response sheet that will be released within 2 days after the exam. The official NATA 2021 answer key phase 2 is expected to be released by 13th July, and the phase 2 NATA 2021 result will be published on 15th July. You can also check the phase 1 and phase 2 memory based question paper and on unofficial answer key from the Ignite India app. You can download the PDF from the Ignite India app. Let's move to the next slide. Less current affairs has been asked this time. Less riddle based question, logo, puzzle, and more time consuming the paper was. So this is what we have discussed in the beginning also. Many students, more than 60% students, they said it's a time consuming and difficult paper. Arithmetic, aptitude, and geometry based question, top view question based on shadow was asked overall different from the first attempt question. Many students reported that the paper was not so easy and time consuming. The nature of the question is a bit similar to the IIT UCET exam. There was a diagram which appeared for 30 seconds on the screen and 4 questions were asked on it. There was a question related to diagram and the question were on what do you notice type. There were some painting based question. There were question on Gandhi Memorial. The question paper was divided into section A and B. Section A was combination of 1 and 2 mark question, while section B was completely memory based drawing question. Each image carries 6 marks and 5 images were given. 2 questions were asked for each image. There were no questions from physics and chemistry, only a few questions from mathematics were asked. The drawing question were memory based. The diagram appeared 30 seconds after appearing. There were questions on architecture aptitude. Well, there were a total number of 5 pictures and other 2 question sequence picture. The marking scheme of the image based question and tech. Each question is section carries 3 marks. Some students mentioned that the section B memory based question or challenging. You can download this free PDF from the Ignite India app. You can contact us on 9972046911. Let's move to the next slide, and here it is about the NATA third attempt. Guys, NATA third attempt is proposed in August 2021. Yeah, so you should wait for official notification. If there is an official notification, you can always apply and if you can try to improve in your score. But still, this is in very initial stage, and there are some news and there are some but we should wait and watch for official notification from the NATA official website. To next move to the next question, NATA admission counseling support. So guys, there Ignite India Education is providing the NATA admission counseling support, and we will be helping you to based on your score, we will be helping you to get best NATA college. And we know that your aspiration, we are here to help you. We will be helping you in your document verification also. Based on marks, we will try to help you to get the best architecture college in the country. And also, if somebody is aspiring to study abroad, we are there to help. So there is a form in the video description. You can always go there, you can check and you can fill the form. And there are different counseling modes which you can choose. There is a free counseling, there is a paid counseling, and there are different gold, premium, diamond counseling, session one-on-one counseling. So you can choose and you can contact us. We will also contact you after if you register for the counseling. Ignite team is going to connect you and we will be helping you. You can also call us on 9972046911. Next slide is top 50 government and private architecture colleges in India with NIRF rank. Fill in the admission counseling support registration form in the video description and contact us on 9972046911. So here are the top 50 government and private architecture colleges in India with the NIRF rank. So first one is Indian Institute of Technology, IIT Kharagpur, BARC 5, and NIRF rank is 5. Indian Institute of Technology, Turkey, and this is 6. Indian Institute of Technology, Varanasi, and rank is 11th. And it's for BARC, Jamia Millia Islamia Aligarh, it's a 28, BARC, MARC, PhD in Architecture. Birla Institute of Technology, Mesra, BARC, 38th rank. College of Engineering, Visakhapatnam, BARC, 69. Anna University, Chennai, BARC, MARC, M-Plan, 14th. Aligarh Muslim University, BARC, MARC, 39. BMS College of Architecture, so we don't have any update about the NIS rank, but you can always check, you can do your own research. Andhra University, Visakhapatnam. Guru Gobind Singh Indraprastha University, New Delhi, BARC, 86. Jadavpur University, West Bengal, 17 rank NIS rank and BARC, MARC. Assam Science and Technology University, so we don't have any like ranking about the college, but you can always check and do your own research. Hemachandracharya North Gujarat University, IK Gujaral Punjab Technical University, Jalandhar, 104 is the rank. Indian Institute of Engineering, Science and Technology, Shibpur, BARC, Masters of Urban and Regional Planning, 21. Biju Patnaik University of Technology, Bundelkhand University, Central Building Research Institute, Indira Gandhi Institute of Technology, Sarang, Indira Gandhi Delhi Technical University for Women, 145. Deenbandhu Choturam University of Science and Technology, Sonipat. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Technical University, Lucknow. Jai Narayan Vasya University, Jawaharlal Nehru Architecture and Fine Arts University, Vadodara Institute of Engineering, Tirthankar Mahavir University, Moradabad, Acharya Institute of Technology, Bangalore. IEC University, Solan, Lovely Professional University, 87 rank. Rathingram Group of Institution, Coimbatore. So CT Group of Institution, Jalandhar, Access College of Kanpur, Bharat Institute of Higher Education Research, Chennai, Marwari University, Rajkot, Moradabad Institute of Technology, Moradabad, Vivekananda Global University, Jaipur, KIT University, Bhubaneswar, Hindustan Institute of Technology and Science, Chennai, SAGE University, Indore, Amity, AMIT University, Chhattisgarh. NATA 2021 expected cutoff for Karnataka based on the detailed analysis of the NATA 2020 cutoff and the various factors used to determine the NATA 2021 cutoff. We have prepared the NATA 2021 expected cutoff for Karnataka as given in the table below. Note that the following cutoff range is only for the reference of the candidate and the final NATA 2020 cutoff of Karnataka may vary. So here are the detailed NATA 2021 expected cutoff for Karnataka. University Visvesvaraya College of Engineering 322 335 and the NATA 2021 expected cutoff in closing rank is 1165 to 1170. So these are the you can download this PDF and detail you can go through the and we are soon going to publish more video where we will be similar kind of the analysis we are going to publish about the Maharashtra, Gujarat and other states as well, so that will be very, very helpful for you guys to know the expected cutoff and so that you can prepare, you can mentally prepare to joining the college, which kind of college you will get, where you will get, in which city you will get. So in Ignite team is dedicated and working closely. So these are the the PDF is available on the Ignite India app, so you can download. So now these are the difficulty level and other detail. So total question for plan elevation, total question or principles of design, total of numerical question, difficulty level. So these are the question and not a phase one topic wise analysis. So this kind of the analysis also you can download, and the entire PDF is available free on Ignite India app. You can go there and download the PDF and let us know in the comment section how much you scored, how much marks you are going to score in the NATA second attempt, and how was the difficulty level, guys. And for the counseling support, as I told you, we have already posted the link. Okay, so NATA admission counseling, if you want to join top architecture college, so you can, description link is there. So when you will click on the video description, there is a form and you can fill the form. And this entire PDF, the answer key which we have released, that is available. You can download from the Ignite India app. Good luck, everybody. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Thanks for watching.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon button to get all notifications whenever we will be uploading our new video. Download Ignite India app. Stay safe, stay positive, good luck. We'll see you in next video.